Pero ito na ngayon ang trick nyo. You have to do it within the time frame. So, you have to do it realistically also. Kasi sa kusina, hindi ka na take your own like the whole afternoon preparing for one dish alone. No one will eat in your restaurants. And of course, ang pinaka-importante, kahit simple, basta masarap. But overall, you did a very good job. My God, for your age, you do better than other college students.
To be the first most amazing cooking kid, I just gotta work harder, build confidence in what I'm doing and in my food, in myself, and I just gotta focus.
I think the only weakness na nakikita ko kay Ronin is maybe, kasi napapansin ko kay Ronin, very critical siya. I hope that whatever he does now, he doesn't overthink it.
Nakita niyo na ako magluto 100%, kaso hindi niyo pa ako nakita magluto 110%.
I think, you know, she also deserves to win. Diba? Kasi, parang consistent naman siya. She's always done something na presentable at maganda.
Nandito na ako. Gagalingan ko pa para makuha yung title na Most Amazing Cooking Kid.
Well, she also deserves to win. Kasi, you know, she's proven herself already. Nakapunta na siya sa top 3. Yung mga dishes na na-produce niya noong mga past weeks talaga namang was
Was
good, very good, diba? So,
Alam mo, I never thought I'm going to use this parang line na parati ko narinig sa mga Miss Universe. You are all winners in my heart.
Oo naman.
Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, itong mga batang to, hindi lang itong tatlo, lahat
Oh,
ng mga
12.
bata, but especially itong tatlong to, lahat kayo winners talaga sa amin.
ayan na, yung linya na.
Yes,
yung
you are all
maisip na
winners
yung
in my
sabihin.
heart.
Pero totoo naman kasi para mabilong sila in the top 3. Ibig sabihin nun, meron silang something na pwedeng ipagmalaki. So they all have what it takes